Hey, everybody. What's going on? Smiling? I'm smiling. I want to say thank God for all of you. Only some of you know me. Dance, move, little music, piano skills. Anyway, I thank God for the time that He gave me and the experience that He allowed me to share with you. Everything is for a purpose and everything is for a time. But through all that, we're still smiling. We're still glorifying God. We're still giving praise. Amen? Amen. Yeah. It wasn't getting too bad. And y'all know about that little accident I just had, right? That little motorcycle thing I just had. Just a couple weeks ago. Man, that thing, boy, had me looking like a scarecrow. Man, last thing I remember, my arm was here. Man, that song was like this here. And the back of me, the shoulder like this here. The legs. Boy, like that, man, I couldn't move, boy. Boy, next thing I know, man, I remember that hospital, everything was straightened out. I'm like, Lord, I don't know how that one got straightened out. But it did, it got straightened out, man. Boy, you should see me. You know, little neck brace here, little neck brace now. Let's see what else I got on. Little breather, little breathing machine. You gotta have a breathing machine. You gotta have this here, see? Get your wind back. I know how this works. Y'all don't know how it works. Here's a demonstration. It's important. Got an arm, boy. Arm, boy. Look at that. Here's like this one. Look at that. Oh, we got a little wind. Okay, don't do too much, boy. Hurt yourself. Okay, calm down. You got 10 time. You got 10 time. But anyway, the purpose of the day is to let you know, look at here. No matter what you go through, no matter how times you've been broken down, God's going to find a way to make you do something to make you feel good. Now, if you like me, person all by yourself, ain't got no help at home, man, you know it's hard enough taking a shower. But just imagine walking up 10 flights of stairs, then have to take a shower. You know, that's another story. I think that's one of the reasons. For safety reasons, but that's all right. That's something else. We ain't get off of that. But anyway, man, the worst thing you can do is try to take a shower. Oh, by the way, I can eat too. I can eat. Yeah. I used to eat with this arm, but I don't know what happened to that. Anyway, I can eat though. But anyway, the worst thing you want to do, man, is get out of the shower and can't put on these. Oh, I'm like, man, I don't care what happened. If I can't step outside fresh, boy, I got a problem. No. Come on now. Look at here. See here? Let me do a demonstration. Deodorant. Man, if I put on deodorant, I ain't got no more problems right here. See, one thing my problem is, look here. See this here? You gotta make sure this all the way up here. I'm showing you something. Now this is real live. Now I'm gonna see if I can do this here. But it's very important to be able to put on deodorant. See, I can take a shower. I just got a shower. So now I want to put on some deodorant before I smell fresh now. Okay, now, use this arm here. Put some deodorant. I'm going to on this armpit. Now, y'all forgive me for the armpit. Now, I know it ain't all that pretty, but look at this is a demonstration. I'm going to try to inspire somebody. It's very important. See, because God's going to use everything for everything. See, I'm going to walk up. I got my blink right there. You know what's in here. Well, you're going to lift this arm up here. Under here. Okay. Alright, lift this arm up here. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, come on now. Arm up now. You can't do it like that. You got to lift that arm up. The arm up, boy. Ah, oh, can't do it. Here, we can lift up here. Here, now. We use our arm like that here. Right here. Right. Like that. Lift it up. Yeah, step your arm under there. Yeah. Lift it up. Yeah. Hold it up. There you go, boy. Ah. Woo. Woo. Now what you gonna about this here on? Now I gotta take this here on. Put some on this here armpit here. Now. I ain't got a problem with this arm right here. The problem is this here one. The problem is getting this one here. Oh. Woo. Come on, boy. You can do it now. Look here, I'm thinking about this here, boy. Imagine this going to the store here. You got one person on the right side of you. on the left side of you. You got one on the right side of you. You got some armpit on. You got some deodorant on this side now. Oh, you smell good over here. Smell good, you know. My person on this side, she be like, how like, she ain't saying nothing, but she know God doing well. You know what I'm saying? She want to say something, but you know in your mind, she telling the truth that you ain't got no deodorant on that armpit, so you know something wrong. So we better get some deodorant on that armpit. Get some deodorant on that pit. Come on, boy, you can do it. Beat that arm, boy. You can do it. Come on now. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is serious. I think I'm playing. Hold on here, boy. Oh, hold on, man. Wait a minute. You ain't gonna do me like that. There we go. One side. Smelling like one side good, one side bad. Oh, I'm not sure for you. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, I got you. What we got here? We got a crush, boy. We got a crush. Let's see what we can make. Here. We got a crush. We got a waffle crush. Right here. I might have a little crush on this thing. Make the miracle happen for me here. Let me put some deodorant on here, boy. Look at here. I'm gonna take this here. We'll put this right here. Oh, Jesus. Lift that arm. Lift that arm right here. Come here. Lift that arm up. That arm up, boy. Ah. There you go. Ah, here you go. Put the arm right there. Yeah. Ah. That deodorant right here. Deodorant in that hand. Yeah, deodorant in that hand right there. And now you lean over here. Right here, like this here. Ah. Hold on there, you got it? Yeah. Oh, boy, you got that deodorant. There you go. Ooh, you got the deodorant. There you go, boy. Oh, yeah. Ah. Now that feels fresh. I'm telling you. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, we got this on the crush right here. Oh, my crush. God bless you. Whatever you do, stay inspired, no matter what it takes. Put on that deodorant. Put on that deodorant. Oh, I'm all right now. Everything all right, baby. Ah, yeah. God bless you. Keep you. Don't be afraid of nothing, baby. No fear. May peace be with you, honey. Love you, mama.